Welcome to Edumon Tutorials on Big Data Analytics. Today, let us discuss about the history of Hadoop. Hadoop is an open source framework overseen by Apache Software Foundation, which is written in Java for storing and processing of huge data sets with the cluster of commodity hardware. There are mainly two components of Hadoop, which are HDFS and YARN, standing for Hadoop Data Distributed File System, which is used for storing the data, and YARN standing for Yet Another Resource Negotiator, which is for processing the big data. Hadoop was started by Doug Cutting and Mike Caffarella in the year 2002. That was when they started to work on Apache Nudge project. This Apache Nudge project was the process of building a search engine system that can index 1 billion pages. After a lot of research on this Nudge project, they concluded that such a system will cost around $500,000 in hardware and along with it a monthly running cost of approximately 30,000 US dollars altogether, making it very expensive. So they realized that their project architecture will not be capable enough to work around with billions of pages existing on the web. So they were looking for a feasible solution which can reduce the implementation cost as well as the problem of storing and processing of the large datasets. In 2003, they came across a paper that described the architecture of Google's distributed file system called GFS, standing for Google File System. This was published by Google for storing large data sets efficiently. Now, they realize that this paper can solve their problem for storing very large files which were generated as a result of the web crawling and indexing processes. But this paper was just the half solution of their entire problem. In 2004, Google published one more paper on the technique MapReduce, which was the other solution of processing the stored large data sets. Now, this paper was another half solution for Dow Cutting and Mike Caffarella for their Nudge project. These two techniques, GFS and MapReduce, were just on white paper at the Google. Google didn't implement these two technologies by this time. Dow Cutting, from his work on Apache Lucene, which is an free open source information retrieval software library which is written in Java in 2019, knew that open source is a great way to spread the technology to more people. So, together with Mike Caffarella, he started implementing Google's techniques, the GFS and MapReduce, as open source in the Apache Nudge project. In 2005, Cutting found that Nudge was limited to only 20 to 40 node clusters. He soon realized that Nudge wouldn't achieve its potential until it ran reliably on large clusters, and that was impossible with just two people, the Dow Cutting and Mike Caffarella. The engineering task in Nudge project was much bigger than what he realized. So he started to find a job with a company who is interested in investing in their efforts. And he successfully found Yahoo. Yahoo had a large team of engineers that was eager to work on this their project. So in 2006, Dow Cutting joined Yahoo along with their Nudge project. He wanted to provide the world with an open source, reliable, scalable computing framework with the help of Yahoo. So at Yahoo, first he separates the distributed computing parts from Nudge and formed a new project Hadoop. It is named after a yellow toy elephant that was owned by Dow's son, and as it was easy to pronounce and also it was unique to the world. Now, he wanted to make Hadoop in such a way that it can work well on thousands of nodes. So, together with GFS and MapReduce, he started to work on Hadoop. In 2007, Yahoo successfully tested Hadoop on a 1000 node cluster and started using it. In January 2008, Yahoo released Hadoop as an open source project to ASF, standing Apache Software Foundation. And in July of 2008, ASF successfully tested a 4000 node cluster with Hadoop. In 2009, Hadoop was successfully tested to sort a petabyte of data, which took them around 17 hours for handling billions of searches and indexing millions of web pages. That was when Dow Cutting left the Yahoo and joined Cloudera to fulfill the challenge of spreading Hadoop to other industries. 2011, Apache Software Foundation released Apache Hadoop of version 1.0, and later in August 2013, version 2.0.6 was made available. The later of December 2017, the Apache Software Foundation 3.0 was found. The next stable version in Apache Hadoop is 3.2 line, released on 9th January 2021. So, summarizing it, this is the diagram for the history of Hadoop.